In this video, we'll cover how to program the 7-day clock of the TC500 temperature controller. This is one of the favorite features of the TC500 as it allows operators to turn the machine on and off at specified times of the day. For example, if a shift starts at 8 a.m., we can program the machine to turn on at 7:30 a.m. And if the shift ends at 5 p.m., we can program the machine to turn off at 5:30 p.m. This way, there is no lost time waiting for the machine to reach set point temperatures while employees wait around, and also protects the machine in case the operator forgets to turn the machine off. To do this, first we'll hit the Program button, and then hit the Menu button until we reach Set Automatic Wake Up Screen. From here, we'll hit the Enter button to get into the parameter, and use the up, down, right, and left arrow keys to program our settings. The 7-day clock programs are based on events. Event 1 is Sunday AM, Event 2 would be Sunday PM, Event 3 will be Monday AM, and so on and so on. As you can see on the screen here, Event 1 is currently programmed to Monday at 0:55 AM. So the first thing that we'll need to do is get to the day by using the right arrow key, and now use the up and down arrows until we get to Sunday. Now that the day is set, we can hit the right arrow key again and set the hour we want the machine to turn on. Use the up and down arrow key to set this to 7. Now that the hour is set, we'll hit the right arrow again and go to minutes and set this to 30 so that the machine will be set for 7:30 a.m. Now that the day and time are set, we need to program this to turn the machine on. To do this, hit the right arrow key again and then use the up arrow to change this to on. Now you can see that Event 1 is programmed for Sunday at 7:30 in the morning, and that will turn the machine on. Now that Event 1 is programmed for Sunday at 7:30 in the morning to turn the machine on, we'll program the machine for Sunday PM to turn the machine off. To get to this, we'll hit the Enter key, which will take us to Event 2, and you can see it is already programmed for 5 p.m. to turn the machine off. Since that is what we want, we'll leave it alone, but in case you wanted to make changes, use the left arrow key to navigate to the day, then the hour, minutes, and then again on and off. Since that is what we want, we'll leave it at off. To get to Monday to program Event 3, again hit Enter, which takes us to Event 3, and you can see it's currently programmed for 7:15 a.m. to turn the machine off. We want this to be the same as Sunday, so we'll change this to 7:30 a.m. again. To do that, you want to use the left arrow to navigate to minutes because that's what we're going to program, and use the up and down arrows to get to 7:30. Since this will be for Monday morning when we want the machine to turn on, we need to get to the on-off selection by hitting the right arrow again, and then using the up arrow key to turn the machine to on. Now you can see Event 3 is programmed for Monday morning at 7:30 a.m. to turn the machine on. You can use these in sequential order, as Event 4 will be Monday PM, Event 5 will be Tuesday AM, Event 6 for Tuesday PM, and so on and so on. After you have set the correct date and time you want your machine to turn on and off, we must go to the Perform Various Systems task where we will activate this feature. To do this, we'll hit the Program key, followed by the Menu button until we reach the Perform Various Systems task screen. Hit the Enter button to get into this setting, and then hit the right arrow key until you reach Turn Clock Enable. As you can see, it is currently set to off. So we will enable this by hitting the Enter button. Once that is set to enable, hit the program screen to exit back to the main menu. Another thing to mention is ensuring that your clock calendar is set to the correct day and time for the auto wake up to be accurate. We'll show you how to do this in our next video.